This is going to be your emergency control switch. This is going to be your control for your back of the box here. Turn that on. You can turn on the back of the box. You have your AC and your heat here. You have your radio here. And this truck has 57,292 original miles. Again, that's 57,292 miles. It is a 95 Ford E350 with the 7.3 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. This is a turbo diesel engine. It has power locks, power windows, light switch is right here. You can turn on your lights, turn signal, and your wipers. And then it does have tilt steering right here, so your steering wheel is going to go up and down. It does have cruise control, and the cruise control does work. I drove this about 120 miles when I picked it up, and we were on the highway with the cruise control on with no issues. It does have a Kenwood EMS radio. You're going to probably have to reprogram it if you intend to use it. I think right now I'm not sure what counties it's programmed for. Your scene lights, those are going to be your left scene light, right scene light, and then your loading light for the back. Those are going to be the white lights that are on the box, which are these lights right up there. So those are your scene lights. There is a power switch right here which turns off all the power to the module. It is a walk-through, and it's got a door that slides, so it's a walk-through. Some sort of a Motorola radio down there as well. I'm not sure if it works. That's going to be the module there. Let's go around to the back of the module. So going to the back of the module here. It's got a flip up step bumper. It's got a phone here if you guys want to dial 1-800 toll-free collect. Not sure where you're going to be able to call with that phone there. The height of the interior of this box is probably 5'7", 5'8". Got a nice little window here on the passenger side that opens. So this window, pull on it, It slides open. It's got a net there as well. Got cabinets above the squad bench. Lots of cabinets here on the driver's side. It's got a nice little table here. So you got a table there. A trash can disposal slot here. There's storage underneath this little seat here. And then all your electronics are going to be inside here. This cabinet here is a lockable cabinet. Keep your narcotics in there. Or something else, maybe a gun, who knows. All right. Again, that's going to be the interior. Come around to the passenger side of the ambulance. You have your side entry door. And then you have a compartment here that you can access from the outside or inside. And then there's an inverter over there, a battery charger. And then passenger side. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Let me show you the undercarriage. We did put 6 new tires on this ambulance. So it has 6 brand new Firestone Transforce AT. Tire size is going to be 225, 75, 16. Again, these are brand new Firestone tires, the 6 of them. It does not smoke when we started up this ambulance, so nothing going on. It does drive and drive good on the highway. We drove this thing around, no check engine lights. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.